Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. So just switch into open video like this. Then you go down, you just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on platform. So then you go down, just keep going down, come here to technique. Here analysis, clicking this sign or this color. So like you see here, you click on confirm here. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.